Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we have a new project here for you called Ocean Waves. I will leave a link in the description, but the URL is waves.cloud. And this project is a new staker, a new passive income project, which is just released late yesterday. So very new. And yeah, today we're going to be going over that. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter at JPKDeFi. Take a look at the Discord servers down below. The newsletters down below. Everything is down below in the description. And with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. With that said, let's jump into it. So as you can see, it is a staker like we have seen in the bull market. Always be careful with these because, again, they are designed for one reason, is to get in and get out. But there is different plans that you can do. You can see they have a 7-day plan here, and you're going to get 17% per day for a total profit of 119%. And the more days you go on for, the more money you make, but obviously the more time it's locked, so the more risk you have. 12 days, 12% a day, 144% total. 17 days, 9.94% or total profit of 169%. 22 days, 8.81% daily for 194%. 27 days at 219%. And yeah, the max is 28 days, which will get 8.11% per day. So total income earn up to 219% ROI over 27 days of our daily interest payments. Flexibility, choose from our tariff plans starting from 7 to 27 days. Flexible deposit amount, start investing as little as 0.01 BNB and there's no maximum. And real-time earnings. Watch your earnings grow at every moment and withdraw your profits at any time. So they have been audited. You can go and take a look at that. They've been audited by Solid Proof, which you can take a look at here. I believe this did just literally come on today. So you can go ahead and look at the audit. Yeah, literally 5 hours ago, this thing did get audited. Okay, so if we can take a look at the PDF here. And it will come out with the audit, which you can take a look at. Okay, pretty simple here that it has been audited. So yeah, you can take a look at that if that is, and I definitely recommend looking over audits. I still haven't done a video on how to properly read through audits, which I may do soon. So stay tuned and let me know down below if you want to see how to actually look through audits. But they have a Telegram with 835 members in it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put $200 into the daily plan, into the 7-day plan. So we're going to do 0.061. So we're going to get back 0.72 BNB. So let's click deposit here. It's going to come from MetaMask. It is BNB. So yeah, we're going to do a $200 deposit here. Confirm that. Sending your transaction to the blockchain. And we'll see when this does come through. Yeah, they're only on BNB chain at the moment. There is a drop down for chain. So maybe they will do something where, you know, they may do more chains in the future. But you can see there's 223 BNB total invested. And if we take a look at our total invested, you can see we've now gone ahead and done that. And then we can basically go to our dashboard. We can see the withdrawable income, total withdrawal, and total referral rewards. I will leave a link down below in the description. It will be a referral link if you do want to take a look. I will probably do a giveaway of the referral rewards. So join my Discord if you do want to be a part of that giveaway. So any rewards that I do get from referrals. Again, I will leave it there. If you don't want to use it, you don't want to join the project, it's not for you. Obviously, this is very risky. But it is down there if you want to use it. I'll do a giveaway with the rewards. So I will leave that down there. Otherwise, the domain is wavex.cloud. So there you go. We have gone ahead and invested 0.61 BNB, which is $200. And I guess every day we can just come in here and withdraw. So 223 BNB in here. Again, they have been audited. They're pretty active on Telegram. There's a lot of stuff going on. You can see the white paper. You can see the smart contract as well. So smart contract, as you can see, deposits. And you can see people depositing and withdrawing, etc. So you can take a look at the contract here. The contract source code is verified. You can see the transactions. You can see the BNB balance, but for some reason that isn't showing at the moment. But yeah, you can take a look at that. So we can take a look at the white paper, innovating and staking landscape. Our platform introduces a unique approach wherein each freshly active staking deposit is initiated on a novel smart contract simultaneously. All funds allocated to the staking endeavor are seamlessly directed into a freshly auto-generated smart contract. Okay, so that's why it says zero BNB invested, because the funds are being moved into a fresh smart contract. Comprehensive data encompassing staking details, earnings, and interest rates within your wallet are meticulously stored on the primary smart contract. Upon the completion of fund disbursements for the established staking, the associated smart contract undergoes termination. That makes sense. So this method draws parallels to the original, to the operational framework of the Uniswap platform, where the creation of liquidity for a specific pair involves the generation of a new smart contract dedicated to housing your assets. So mission and vision: Ocean Waves is dedicated to revolutionize decentralized finance. You can see the technology here. You can see the security, the audit, which has now been done. You can see deposits and how it works. You can see the profitability and the platform fee. So the platform implements a developer and commission structure where the funds generated are utilized to cover both the ongoing development expenses and promotional activities aimed at enhancing the platform's visibility and reach. This commission plays a vital role. So there's a 10% staking fee, which does make sense. But yeah, there you go, guys. This is WaveX Ocean Waves. Again, I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to take a look. But I'll do a video in a couple of days when I withdraw this, in 7 days when I do withdraw this and take the money out, so you can see how it is looking. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.